Sasa na Carol na wengine. Good work. Ili hapa.
Kuhingurwo gwa kiganda giki gutanyitwo kurehe kihonia niguo kunina thina uria ugumeire bururi kuona o mwaka magetha maingi marigagiriria kurira kumana na thumu wa aflatoxin. Kiganda giki kiria kiri rungu rwa ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa Karo Katumani mwena wa Machakos rutanyitwo gukorwo rugithondeka makiria ya tani 100 cia dawa kana kihonia ya thumu uyu.
In 2010, over 2.3 million bags of maize were condemned and destroyed because of high aflatoxin contamination levels.
Thumu wa aflatoxin ni ugwati kuri mimera oro ndomwe na mahiu.
The poison also finds its way into animal products such as milk and eggs when the animals are fed on contaminated feeds. Lactating mothers can also pass it on to their infants through breastfeeding.
Kaunti iria cigukorwo ciri muhari wa mbere kugunika ni hamwe na Machakos, Kilifi, Kwale na Tharaka Nithi.
Our expectations are that with the increased awareness created through the intended massive sensitization, the demand of Aflasafe will increase substantially. Happily, I'm informed that the factory production capacity can be increased on demand.
Kiujuri ni ahithuritie ati thirikari itanyite kuongerera magetha ma mbembe kuma gonia milioni 40 nginyagia gonia milioni 67 gukinyeria mwaka wa 2022. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadũra.